Okay, good morning all of you. In the previous class we have discussed about three address code. So what is meant by three address code, and we have seen different types of three address code statements. Now in this class I am going to explain you the examples of three address code statement. So here the input is in the different formats are there. So we have to convert that input into three address code form. Now, in this class, I am going to explain you, take the small examples on how these statements are converted into a three address code statements. Now, let us see one by one. Now, this is the first example, very small statement, arithmetic expression like A plus B star C. So, here the expression contains total three operands. One is A, second one is B, and third one is C, three operands, and two operators. One is addition operator and the second one is the multiplication operator. So all of you know that in our three address code statements, the equal to right hand side, we have maximum two operands and single operator. For example, if you take the three address code statements, suppose take the first three address code statement like A equal to B operator C. This is one three address code statement. And another three address code statement is like this: A equal to operator B. And one more is A equal to B. A equal to B, because this is a very small statement, A plus B star C. Now this expression is converted into three address code form, like this one. So in the equal to right hand side, we have maximum two operands or single operand. Same way, single operator, single operand, and here this is a assignment operator. So we have both left hand side and right hand side only one. Only one symbol, only one operand. Now, let us convert the given expression into three address code form. So here the given statement contains two operators. One is plus and another one is the star. So plus and star. So based on the priorities, first we have to perform the multiplication operation. And then we have to add. So A plus B star C value. So here we are converting this statement into a three address code statement. So the basic rule is, in the conversion process, we can use any number of temporary variables, no problem. We can use any number of temporary variables, but whereas in the next phase, because it is a fourth phase, that is intermediate code generator. After one, the fifth one is the code optimizer. So the main purpose of the code optimizer is to reduce the code. So in this case, we need not concentrate on the optimization of code. So in this case, you can use any temporary variables, you can use any number of statements, no problem. Whereas in our next step is the code optimization. In that case, we are mainly concentrating on the optimize the code. Whereas now, we are taking any number of temporary variables and we can add any number of statements. The basic condition is without changing the actual meaning of the statement. What is the actual meaning of the statement here? We are performing two operations. One is the addition and the second one is the multiplication. Suppose the statement, for example, take A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and then C equal to 3. This is the statement. The actual result is 2 star 3. So 1 plus 6. The result is 7. This is the correct one. Suppose if you perform like this, 1 plus 3. If you perform the addition operation first, suppose 1 plus 2, 3 star 3. This is the 9. Anyway, you will get the value, but this is invalid. So, the basic fundamental concept is whenever we are converting any statement or any code into 3 underscore statement, we are mainly concentrating on without changing the actual meaning of the statement or the program. So in this case, this is the correct one. In this case, this is the wrong one. Anyway, both are generating the values, but this is the wrong approach. This is the correct approach. So in this way, we need to convert into a 3 underscore form. Suppose in this way also we have to convert a 3 underscore form, but it generates invalid data, wrong data. So that's why it is a wrong. It represents the wrong side. Okay. Now convert this one into 3 underscore statement. Now I have already mentioned that the first we have to perform the multiplication operation. So A plus B star C. So in two ways we can convert this one into 3 underscore form. Suppose the first case is, suppose take temporary variable T1 equal to, T1 means temporary variable, T1 equal to, we can perform directly B star C. Because as per rule 1, what is rule 1? A equal to B operator C. 2 operands and single operator. So here also we have 2 operands and single operator. So it is in 3 underscore form. Correct one. Next one, take temporary variable T2 equal to, what is the next one? The next one is the addition. We have to perform the addition value. What is that one? A is multiplied with B star C. We have already computed the B star C value, and this value is assigned to T1. So you can use directly T1. Now it is in 3 underscore form because we have only 2 operands. One is A and second one is the T1 and single operator A plus T1. So this is a 3 underscore statement for this expression. Okay, this is one approach. And another approach is the second approach. Suppose I want to perform B star C. So first, take temporary variable T1 equal to B. Next, take temporary variable T2 equal to C. And then take temporary variable T3 equal to B star C. Instead of B star C, we can use the temporary variables T1 star, T2. Now this value is stored in T3. Next one. The next one is A plus T3. So before performing the addition operation, first one, the operand A is assigned to T4. And then T5 equal to A plus. A means T4 plus. Enter this value is T3. So this is another approach. See, both are same. Both are generating A plus B star C. Same values. Without changing the actual meaning, we have converted like this. The main difference is, so here we can directly take the values B star C to T1. Next one A plus T1 to T2. Whereas in this case, each and every operand is assigned to some temporary variables. Whereas in this case, only 2 lines are there. Whereas in this case, total 5 lines are there. Okay. This is the correct approach. This is also a correct approach. You can follow either this one or this one. Because in this case, we are using so many temporary variables. But in this case, we need not concentrating on the optimization. In the next phase, we are reducing the code in the optimization phase. So in this way, we can convert the given statement into 3 underscore form. 3 underscore form. And the second example is, now the previous one is A plus B star C. Now this is A plus B of star C. Again here total 3 operands, 2 operators. So the main difference here is almost same operand, same operator. Only the difference is the priorities. So here we have to first perform B star C. Whereas in this case, we are given more priority to parentheses. So first we have to perform addition of A plus B. And then multiply with C. Now take temporal variable T1 equal to. So first I want to perform addition operation A plus B. Because A plus B is in 3 underscore form as per rule 1. Because 2 operands and single operator. Now this is T1. Now I want to perform the multiplication. Now take temporal variable T2 equal to A plus B into A plus B. What is the A plus B value? The A plus B value is already stored at T1 multiplied with C. Okay? Multiplied with C. So the basic condition is, first understand the given statement or the given code, the flow, the meaning. So based on that, we have to construct the 3 underscore statement without changing the actual meaning of the given statement. So this is the second example. And take the third example. So here in this case, we have total 3 operands, B, C, D, total 3 operands, and also 3 operators, minus, star, plus. And one more thing is parenthesis. The expression contains some parenthesis. So first, how to evaluate this statement, this expression, minus B star C plus D. How to evaluate it? Suppose take B value is 1, star, C value 2, and then D value 3. What is the value? So first we are performing the parenthesis value. So minus 1 multiplied with 3 into 2 plus 3, 5. So minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Okay. So first we have to compute B star C and then minus B star 5. Again here one more thing is, it is not in 3 underscore form because here we have 2 operators. In the 3 underscore right hand side we have only 1 operator. Okay. So again this one will be converted into 3 underscore form. So how it will be converted? See. So first one. So C plus D is one value. Minus B is another value. Now minus B is multiplied with C plus D. Okay. So take temporary variable T1 equal to, what is rule 2? The rule 2 is, it is of the form A equal to operator B. A equal to operator B. Okay, A equal to operator B. Single operator and single operator. Same way here you can write minus B. Minus B. Minus, otherwise you can write unary minus. Unary minus B. Minus B. Next one, I want to perform the addition operation because the thing is, the meaning is very important. Don't do B star C. Okay, it is an invalid. Even though you will get the result, but it is a meaningless statement. Okay. So next, take temporary variable T2 equal to C plus D. So C plus D, it is already in 3 underscore form. It is already in 3 underscore form. Next one. So minus B is stored in T1, C plus D in T2. I want to perform multiplication operation. So temporary variable T3 equal to minus B. So T1 into T2. In this way, we constructed the 3 underscore statement. And one more thing is, here you can mention the address values also. Suppose this statement starts with 100 flag. Next statement 101. Next statement 102, like that. You can give the address values also. In the coming classes, we are using this address statement also. In this case, we are not much concentrating on these addresses, but later in coming classes, we are using this address also. Okay. So in this way, we constructed the statement. constructed this statement into 3 underscore form. Next one. Next example. See, so many parentheses are there, so many operands are there, and different operators are there, multiplication, addition, subtraction, like that. So, now convert this statement into, this expression into 3 underscore form. 3 underscore form. So before converting the 3 underscore form, first understand the expression. First understand the given expression. Suppose take A star B. It is a parenthesis. A star B. So first we have to compute A star B. Okay. Later star C. So this expression. Okay. First one, this one. This is the second one. Next one. After entire this value added with T. So this parenthesis. So this is one expression. This is the first expression. Okay. So how to evaluate the first expression means, so first we have to compute A star B and then star C and then plus D. So this is expression 1. And what is expression 2? See, first we have to compute E star F. E star F. Next one, A plus this value. A plus this value. A plus E star F. Okay? That is one expression. Suppose, for example, take E2. Next one is G plus H. So this is expression. Third expression. Okay? Now, once E2 and E3 completed, next we have to perform the subtraction. E2 minus E3. So this is the parenthesis. So E2 minus E3. Now this is E1 and entire this one is, suppose this one we can call it as the E4. Expression 4. Then this bracket. That is E5. What is E5? Expression 1 minus of expression 4. Okay. So first you have to analyze the given statement, given expression. So first, which statement will be executed? Next, what is the second one? What is the third one? Like that, first we have to analyze it, and then once we have clarity about our expression, then only we can convert into 3 underscore statement without changing the actual meaning of this statement. Now, based on this one, convert into 3 underscore statement. Suppose starts with 100 address. What is the first statement? A star B. It is already in 3 underscore form. So T1 equal to A star B. Okay, T1 equal to A star B. Next location, 101. Temporary variable T2 equal to, what is the next one? Multiplied with C. Already this part is T1. So T1 is multiplied with C. So T1 is multiplied with C. Next one, 102. Now entire this one is T2. Now T2 plus D. Now take temporary variable T3 equal to T2 plus D. Now this is T3. Now this one is T3. Entire value is T3. Okay? Entire value is T3. Now this part is over. Now come to the second part. In the second part, first we have to compute E star F. So 103. T4 equal to E star F, because it is already in 3 underscore form. So this is a T4. Next one, A plus T4. A plus T4. Temporary variable T5 equal to A plus T4. Now entire this one is T5. Now entire this one is T5. Okay. Next one. Now compute G plus H. Now take the temporary variable T6 equal to G plus H. Now this is becomes T6, temporary variable 6. And then we have to perform subtraction. What are the statements? T5 minus T6. So 1 out. T5, so A plus. So temporary variable T7 equal to T5 minus T6. Now entire this value is now T7. Now this value is T3 and this value is T7. Now perform this one. So T3 minus T7. This one. Perform subtraction. So take temporary variable T7, T8 equal to T3 minus T7. First part, second part, T3. So T3 minus T7. Okay. So this is the final answer. So in this way, convert this statement into 3 underscore statement. Okay. And next one. So till now we have seen the statements, arithmetic expression statements. How that arithmetic statements are converted into 3 underscore form. We have seen. Now this example is, it is a if-else statement. If-else statement. So here the condition is if subcondition. If the condition is true, this statement will be executed. A equal to 1. At that time, B equal to 0 will not be come into the picture. Okay. Suppose if the condition is false, then the result is B equal to 0. At that time, the statement will not come into the picture. Okay. Anyway, based on the condition, whether the condition is true or false, we can use either this statement or this statement. At the time, we are not combining these two statements. If the condition is true, we can use this statement. If the condition is false, we can use this statement. Okay? That is the meaning of this statement. Now, convert this statement into, this code into 3 underscore form. Again starts with 100. See, here the syntax is if followed by the condition. What is the condition here? If the condition is A greater than B, See, generally in the if-else statement, suppose if condition followed by the true, immediate statement is false condition. If the condition is true, this part will be executed. This is the true part. So we have to write here the true condition, the true statement. Suppose if the condition is false, then executes immediately statement. What is the immediately statement? Suppose it is the 100th line and this is the 101. So 101 is the false statement. So like that, if condition followed by the true value. Suppose if the condition is true, we can use the labels, we can use the go to statement, go to some number. What is the number? We will give that number. Okay, true number that is. Suppose what is 101? 101 means false condition. What is the false condition? Suppose if the condition is false, the result is B equal to 0. The result is B equal to 0. Okay? And then exit from the block. And then exit from the block. So go to 102. Go to 102. Suppose 102. So if the condition is false, B equal to 0 and then 102. 102 means there is no statement. Okay? No problem. Suppose if the condition is true, the condition is true means if A greater than B, the statements are A equal to 1. Then here you can write go to, suppose write 103. 103. What is 103? If the condition is true, go to 103. What is 103? So 103 is a true statement. So write the true statement. So here the true statement is A equal to 1. So write A equal to 1. What is the 104 statement? If the condition is true, A equal to 1 and then exit. Okay, and then exit. So 104 empty, no problem. Now again you have to check it the false condition. If the condition is false, then immediately statement will be executed, that is B equal to 0. What is the next statement? And then B equal to 0 and then exit. Whereas in this case B equal to 0 followed by 1 or 2 statement. There is no statement, no problem. But whereas come to the next statement 103 contains A equal to 1. That means first B equal to 0 and then A equal to 1 both are displayed. But as per the definition, as per the rule, only this statement will be executed or this statement will be displayed, because it is a if condition. If the condition is true, this is the answer. If the condition is false, this is the answer. That's why here we can put exit from the block. That's why you can give go to 104. What is 104? Empty. Okay? Now check it. If the condition, this is the true statement. If the condition is true, then go to 103. What is 103? Statements are A equal to 1 and then exit. Okay? 104 means there is no statements. Exit. Suppose if the condition is false, means immediately statement will be executed, that is B equal to 0. After that, what is the statement? Go to 104. What is 104? Again, empty. Okay? So if the condition is true, this statement, condition is false means this statement. So in this way, we can construct the 3 underscore where the given input statement is if else. Okay? Okay. Thank you.